Meaning of dung heap.
Dung heap.
Dung heap.
Dung heap.
Dung heap. Dung heap is a noun that refers to a pile or mound of animal waste, most commonly from livestock such as cows or horses. It is often seen as a nuisance or an eyesore, and can produce unpleasant odors and attract insects and vermin. Dung heaps can also pose environmental hazards if not properly disposed of or managed. In some cultures, dung heaps have been used as a source of fuel or fertilizer. Overall, dung heaps are generally considered to be a byproduct of agricultural activity and a potential source of pollution if not handled appropriately.